You deserve the glory and the honor. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveeeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. God bless you. God bless you. Let's keep them coming. So, do you have some potatoes? If you do, then come, let's make some potato salad. Yeah, so let's get started. So to begin with, I have my ingredients here: some hard-boiled eggs, some cucumber I have neatly chopped, some red onions I have chopped as well, some carrots, and some mixed veggies I had in the fridge, and my beautiful potatoes. So let's go. So after peeling my potatoes, I wash them and then I chop them into biteable sizes. Or in cubes, just like I'm doing here. So I have some water boiling. I add a little salt to taste, and then I add my potatoes to it. Allow it to cook for just 10 minutes. Once it begins to boil and my potatoes are a bit soft, I just put it off, strain it, and then allow it to cool down. So now in my salad bowl, I start with my potato salads. Very simple to prepare, nutritious, vegan friendly, and taste amazing. Potatoes have high source of fiber. It is very good for our health. So once a while, just prepare this potato salad if you have any potatoes around, and trust me, you are gonna enjoy it. So I have topped up with my veggies, and you can see how beautifully they are being displayed here. So I also add some eggs I have chopped as well, which is optional. You can choose to omit the eggs. So we are done. So I gently mix this so they incorporate into each other, and just look at how beautiful and inviting it is. I so love potato salads. I love them. So I just sprinkle a little black pepper, and then I prepare my dressing. So in a bowl I add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lime juice or lemon juice, some salt to taste, and some black pepper, like a teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon ketchup, which is also optional. Now my dressing is ready, so you can see I just spread it on my potato salad and I am good to go. I can eat this the whole day and I am good to go. So friends and family, why don't you try this potato salad recipe for your guests this coming Christmas? Enough with the lettuce and the cabbages. Let's try some potato salad. In fact, you are gonna love it. I mean, you are gonna add some goodness to your plate. So you can see how beautiful, how creamy it is here. So I just sprinkle some parsley on it, which is also optional. And then we are done. Our potato salad is ready. And I am gonna enjoy mine with some jollof rice. So sometimes I enjoy it with bread. Sometimes I enjoy it as a whole meal and I am good to go. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you for standing by and enjoy this video with me. If you like it, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comments, share, and above all, please subscribe. I love you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.